So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Railtel share. So we know that since a few days we are seeing little downfall in Railtel. So many people were asking in Instagram regarding Railtel, discuss about that because many of them have entered at high levels, let's say 180. So at those regions, many people have entered and they are facing loss. So what can be the next possible levels? We'll try to do the volume analysis. So clearly we'll see how the volume has been fluctuating. So how whether it is increasing or decreasing, so how the operator activity is present. So everything we'll discuss point by point, and also what is the major reason for the fall also we'll discuss. And for any IPO, when it is having continuous momentum, so what is some important points that you need to remember, so that also we'll discuss. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting with the video, you can also join the Telegram group where any instant updates regarding stocks like positional stocks are also discussed. So you can see on week to week, so week by week basis, I am uploading set of 10 stocks that you can add into your watch list, or if you're interested, you can buy them as well. Okay, make sure join the Telegram, and also if you have any personal doubts, you can message me on Instagram as well. So ID is Stocks Diary YT. Okay, so if we see the volume analysis of Railtel, so if you see on 8th March, you can see that the considerably the amount of deliverable quantities which are present are reducing. So nobody is willing to add at those particular levels. So all of them are expecting little more correction. So definitely if you are planning to do any sort of fresh investment, so don't do right now. So when we go to the technical charts, I'll tell you what can be the best level where you can enter. So apart from that, you can see the traded quantity was huge. As we compare to weekly averages as well. So traded quantity was huge because continuous momentum was seen. So after the listing, so we know that it is a recently listed IPO. So when it was listed, so consecutive days also we have seen some upper circuit. So what is the major reason for that? So any IPO nowadays we see upper circuit is seen. So not all IPOs. So few IPOs which are giving moderate returns, let's say 25, let's say 40% return, let's say roughly 35 to 40% return. So ultimately they're trying to hit the upper circuit. So there will be certain people like anchor investors. So they hold the shares of any company which is recently listed for a certain period of time, and after that they also exit in step by step, not continuously. So step by step they also exit. So same example you can take Burger King. So Burger King was also one IPO which was listed near very moderate levels. Again it has started shooting up continuously. It has gone up, it has crossed even 200 rupees level. So many people expect that it will continue that journey and they start entering. So who? Retailers. So retailers start entering at those high levels. So what happens ultimately? The stock again starts hitting lower circuit. So they know the public pulse. So they try to catch how they can trap the retailers and when to exit. Okay, so they implement these strategies. So what should be your idea? So whenever any IPO which you got is giving any returns, let's say it is giving 50 to 60% returns, and if it is hitting continuous upper circuit, hold for 2 days and next day immediately exit. So don't hold for longer time, exit at the right time. Let's say if we are getting 2 days continuous profit, exit at that point of time. So it's we should not think that again if it goes up, we should not feel for that, just leave it. So again if it corrects, then you can try to re-enter. So company wise, we know that VPN services or whatever services it offers, Railtel, so there is no fault for the company. It has a bright future. For long term who are trying to hold it, definitely they can hold. For short term people who have entered so that they can grab this opportunity of taking let's say 20 to 30% profit, so they were struck at that high levels. So they are only the people who are struck at high levels. So don't panic now. So what is the next possible level from where it can retrace? So that also we'll understand. Okay, so in depth, if we see the volume, how it has been fluctuating. So this is volume and this is delivery percentage. So you can see volume wise, we are seeing little increase. So combined delivery volume, what is that? Trading. So exiting, so whatever you are seeing exiting or profit booking in simple words, so that is happening. But if you see the blue color bar, which is delivery volume, can you see the delivery volume? Okay, so delivery volume is considerably decreasing. So the blue color bars are decreasing. So nobody is willing to add at that particular levels, and that heavy volume, what we expect for any stock to go 5%, 10% up. So that volume is not being seen. So ultimately profit booking is happening. So at this point of time, many people who are stuck at high levels, so they have a panic situation. So don't exit. So your swing trade now will be converted into a long term trade. So hold it for a longer period of time, and don't book any loss, by the way. There is nothing fault in the company, and booking losses at those levels is also not good. So now we'll go to the little bit of technical charts. So not much technicals are present, so just basics. We'll see will it try to obey that in the coming sessions or not. Yeah, so I wanted to explain in depth regarding the combined volume. So if you see 5th March, 8th March. So if you see the volume, so there you can see 8,853, 50.3. So again, if you see 7,636.7. So you can see considerably from 8,850, you are seeing decrease to 7,636. So this is what combined trader volume. So definitely you are seeing there is decrease in volume, and also little bit of you are seeing deliverable quantity has increased, but that's not the deal. That's why you are seeing some jump in delivery but fall in price, because of the major volume required is not there. So traded quantity is there, implies ultimately volatility is high, and stock also shows the correction. Okay, so now let's go to technicals and we'll see what can be the next supports. Okay, so this is the current days. Okay, so today's movement, if you see, almost a 6.53% downtrend was present. So not only this stock, so many stocks, even market was flat, so FIIs are selling. So remember this thing. So previous data also, if you see today's data also, FIIs are net sellers, DIIs are net buyers at this current situation. So FIIs, whenever they sell, so that much amount of movement we can't expect in market, because they are the big players as compared to the DIIs. So if you see the technical charts, clearly you can see 190 was the highest point. So many people have entered near this region, 160, 180. So those were the regions where many people have entered. So maximum comments I got were from those regions only. So they did not book the profit. They were expecting much more results, especially who were having swing trades. So they added at those levels, and people who are holding for long term, that is no problem, you can hold that. But now comes the what is the best level. So best level would be 130 to 135. Okay, so before that don't try to enter as well. So 130 would be the best entry if you want to give a try. So before that, watch the movement. So if it is correcting, if you want to average, you can try to average, because already it has jumped huge. You can see continuous momentum was present. So this was the continuous momentum. So now it is correcting little bit. So make sure 135, 130 would be little best price as compared to the current levels as well. If you want to give a try, then go for it. Okay, so nothing more to discuss about that. So continuous correction was seen, that is ultimately because of the market scenario as well. FIIs also are selling, so ultimately the stocks which have given huge run up, so they will also start correcting. So that is one of the major reason, and also fall in volumes as we have seen in the volume analysis, that is also the secondary reason. So apart from that, if you have any doubts regarding any share, do mention in the comment section, and also join the Telegram group. So until then, take care. Bye bye.